it's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Before I get into these 9 holiday fit tips, I am announcing my new little series, my holiday home workout series. So it's going to be 4 different videos, and each one we're going to target a different body spot because I just want to help you guys try to stay fit during the holiday season. I know how hard it can be with so many holiday parties, Christmas, your family's around, you're traveling, and you really kind of just lose that track of time to work out. And also, it's cold outside. You don't want to go to the gym or go to a class because you don't want to leave your fire and your couch. So I get it. So that is why I'm introducing this new series, and I think it's going to really help you guys get in your workout by staying right next to your couch. So stay tuned for that. It's launching this week on my YouTube channel. And on that note, let's get into these 9 tips to stay fit during the holiday season. Number 1, remember that every little thing adds up. So I have a lot of girls tell me, well, I didn't have any time for that. I only had, 5-10 minutes. That's fine. Use those 5 to 10 minutes because every little minute adds up. Even taking the stairs instead of the elevator, even maybe parking your car a few more blocks away and walking to work, even though it's cold outside. Every little thing does add up. So don't think that your 5 to 10 minutes is just a waste. Tip number 2, there seems to be some unhealthy foods and maybe some treats at holiday parties, at your Christmas party. So just try to fill up just a little bit and snack on something healthy before you go to a holiday party. Try to also make sure that that snack has a little bit of fiber in it. It'll help you feel full for a longer period of time. And on that same note of a Christmas party or holiday party, tip number 3 is when you're at that holiday party, don't stand next to the hors d'oeuvres, or I was about to say hors d'oeuvres. Don't stand next to the hors d'oeuvres or the appetizer table because I'm the kind of girl, if I'm standing next to it, I'll eat it because it looks so good and I can't really control myself. I need to have a little bit more, what's it called? Self-control. I need to have a little bit more self-control with all that stuff, so I have to stand a little bit in another room, not next to the food table. So if you're like me and you can't really control yourself, stand in another room and don't stand next to the food. Tip number 4, make a list every single day or every single week. Writing things down always helps schedule and prioritize your time, especially if you're going to the grocery store and you want to stay healthy. Make a list of what you're going to buy at the grocery store, and also make a list of everything you have to do that week or that day so you can find the time to schedule in a workout. Tip number 5, hydration, hydration, hydration. Have a water bottle next to your desk at work, have a water bottle at school. Always be drinking water. I want you guys to drink at least 10 cups a day because it's kind of dry outside, it's getting a little colder, and maybe because it's getting colder, it's not as hot outside, we actually forget to drink as much water because, we're not like, oh my god, it's so hot outside, it's summer. In summer, I feel like we just tend to drink a lot of water. So make sure you're drinking a lot of water. It'll also help you feel not as hungry. Obviously, you should eat if you're hungry, but sometimes we mistake our thirst for hunger. Tip number 6, we are surrounded by so many loved ones during the holiday season, so I encourage you guys to get your family up and moving and get them active. Encourage them to go outside on a walk for you or to do in-home workouts with you because that's a great way to bond as well as get in a workout. So, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. This is how you can tell I'm hungry because I'm getting my words mixed up. So remember to encourage them to work out because you also want them staying healthy too. Tip number 7, this one's kind of hard, but eat slower during your meals. Chew your bites more. So we just had Thanksgiving, and during Thanksgiving I had like 3 or 4 portions. I literally had 3 or 4 plates, which is fine, and I don't regret it at all. But I think it's because I was eating it so fast because I was so excited for the Thanksgiving meal. So eat slower. Take about, if you can, 15 to 20 chews each bite, really hard, but this will help you digest the food faster, and plus, it'll help you feel more full. So try to just really enjoy your meal. Tip number 8, try your absolute best to avoid the sugary alcoholic drinks. There can be a lot of fun, festive drinks like maybe eggnog, hot chocolate, all those festive cocktails that you might be drinking. Try your best to stay a little bit away from those. And last but not least, remember that it's just a meal or a day, not a whole season. AKA, what I mean by this, so last week for Thanksgiving, for example, I kind of ate bad the whole entire week of Thanksgiving, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you get it, not just Thanksgiving Day. So what I mean by it's just a meal, not the whole season is, remember, you're not cheat mealing, you're not missing your workout for a whole month. I want you guys to stay on track this whole entire month of December, but at the same time, enjoy that 1 or 2 meal a week and don't get caught up in that cheat meal. So AKA, if you had a cheat meal, you're like, oh, well, I already ate bad yesterday, so I'm gonna eat bad today. No, keep on track, it's just a meal. You guys got this, stay on track. I believe in you guys, plus New Year's is coming up. If you get stuck in that rut, there's always the whole New Year, New Me time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for the Holiday Home series, which is going to be some fun, different workout videos to help you stay fit. I will see you guys later.